Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you that how you can make money online in your spare time, actually in affiliate marketing with free traffic on the ClickBank or Digistore24 or any other affiliate networks that you are preparing. You can simply use that and you can start making money from that. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can use the copy paste method and how you can rank your videos and how you can, for example, rank your contents at the backside to sale and conversion right here. So I'm going to share with you step by step. The only thing that I required from you to watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy, because if you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how it is working. So that is absolutely a copy paste method that you need to learn, and I will also show you some examples that other people are doing and how they are succeeding that and how they are generating money from that. So let's begin the strategy and not waste further the time. So let's jump straight into the method and strategy. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the ClickBank marketplace right here by just clicking the sign up button. Once you sign up for that, or you then you can simply log into your account, or if you have already account, it is good, you need to just go ahead with that. You can simply click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, then you will see this interface right here, and you just need to go to the marketplace right away here, and you will see all the, for example, the products available right here. So I have already chosen the category right here, which is spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. Actually, that is the main category. In this category, we have a lot of products available to promote right here, and we can start promoting these contents right here. So we have different products like the bioenergy code, which is a great manifestation and spirituality niche a product right here, and we have soul met sketch, which is another one right here, and we have another one like by the name soul manifestation, make thousands a day, something like that, which is another one, and master wag draw is another one, which is also a soulmate sketch product right here. So we can just choose anyone we want, for example. So make sure that they give you a little bit more money, and make sure that they have a proper gravity, and make sure that they have rebilling commission. So in that case, you can just promote those products right here. So we can simply just promote the bioenergy code, which is a great amount of money, something like $65 for sales actually, and they have recurring commission like $20 almost an affiliate each month we will get, and the gravity is 153, which is also a great product that other affiliates are promoting, and they are earning money from that. So we can also promote this. So we can just still click on the bioenergy code link right here, and we will be redirected to the page right here, which will be the video. If we just refer people to our special affiliate link, so when they click, they will just come to this page right here, and they can watch this free video, and then they can just read other information and other details right here. So if they would agree, they can simply just click on add to cart, and they can purchase. We were getting the commission from that. So it is as simple as this. So once we find the product right here, the next step for us will be that we can simply combine with a link tree or other free landing page right here. We can simply add into that, and then we can simply copy that link from there, and then we can simply go to Pinterest right here. So make sure that you just keep watching this video, because it's really unique method. It's not simply just posting on the Pinterest or simply randomly using videos on Pinterest, but this is something else, and something else method and strategy. If you just go to Pinterest, I will show you that this guy is making a lot of money, which is this one, third 21-day hero. They got only 3,400 followers, but most of the time they got, as you can see here, most of the time they got by follow and unfollow these followers. Like here, for example, they have 3,400 followers, but they got 2,200 following. It means that they are following and unfollowing, something like that, that method they are using. So but if you just look to their monthly views, they got 172,000 views they got each month on their page right here, and they're simply just uploading this random contents right here that everybody can do that. And this is not only one person, this is another person which they got 6,000 followers, but at the back side they got 1.2 millions monthly views on their page right here. So how they are doing that? It's not magic, and it is not something like, for example, that you can simply drop in drugs, something like that. You can just work hard, and you just need to put work into that, and the backside you can see the result. But in this video I will show you that how easily you can do that, and how you can simply copy and paste this method right here. And I will also show you two different people others. For example, this is another one with only 800 followers, but they got 137,000 monthly views, how they are doing. And this is another one which they got 5.1 million followers, but the backside they are getting 10 million plus views. So how they got? They simply just use and upload this random contents right here. So we can also use this method and this strategy is how they are using and which type of post they are creating right here. So I will show you that how we can do that. The first thing is that you need to find the contents with copy and paste, as I have already promised you that you can simply find a copy paste method and contents right here. So for that reason you just need to go to Instagram, or even we can simply go to TikTok right here. For example, this is a TikTok profile. I can simply just go there and I can simply search, for example, an anime, for example, meditation or manifestation or uh, spirituality, or for example motivational speech or something like that. I can simply just search on the TikTok search bar right here. So once I search that, the next step will be that this page will be a pop-up and show me these different people posts that they got. For example, right here that they are doing manifestation right here. So related to manifestation, we have a lot of videos right here that people just uploaded right here. We can simply use that, and I can simply just click, for example, I
light
like this
into all of
video.
your chakras.
Let me just stop it. We can simply just use click on this, and then we will have available link right here. Copy the link and then go to another website, which will be @stick.io is the main website that you can simply paste the link and click on the download. It means that you can download your videos right here for absolutely free and without watermark. So once you download it, the next step will be that you can simply just go to canva.com and just tap in the search for Pinterest idea pen, and you will have the available templates right here. And then you can simply click on this template page. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page right here. So the video that we have downloaded from TikTok, we can simply just upload it right here. So we can simply just go to upload button right here and click on the upload, and that will be uploaded right here, as you can see here. Then we can
Let's
simply click
bring
on
light
that.
into.
Once we click on that, then we can simply use it right here and just make the size of that, for example, just look like that. Okay, just keep the sizes right here. Okay, so then we can simply add a call to action button right here, something like, for example, click link in the bio for more information and something like that, which we have already did it like that. Watch a link in the bio for more meditation, and then you can simply click on the download button, this one, and then click on the download again, and that will be downloaded to your PC, laptop, PC, or smartphone. So whatever you are using, then you can simply just go back to Pinterest right here. Once you go to the Pinterest right here, actually, let me just wait for the Pinterest to just open, or even we can simply just go to another Pinterest page right here. Okay, then you can simply see here the option create, and we can simply just click on that and create pin, create, add, and create idea pin. So make sure that you just click on create idea pin, because Pinterest is moving the create idea pin more and preparing more than any other contents or random or uh, just this pin. Okay, so they are giving value to this. If you just put a post any contents on the idea pin in recent 24 hours, you will have a lot of impressions, engagement, and clicks on that. Okay, so make sure that you just use create idea pin and you just click on that. Once you click on that, you will simply just click on the create new right here, and you will be available this page, and then you can simply just upload your content to this right here. Once you click on that, then you will see the page like this one, which you can simply just post it. Once you post it right here, it will available right here. For example, the meditation guide for your whole life. This is just have just created right now. and I have I don't know that how many impression, clicks, and views I will get from here. So if I want that, so I can simply just go back right here and just go to, for example, my status or my, for example, analytics. I can simply just go right there and I can simply see here that how my contents is ranking right here. Okay, because I just reposted right now and I got 35 views. Okay, looks, it's amazing. 35 views I got. Okay, so this is the previous one. I just got 3 clicks on this, 25 clicks on this, 7 clicks on this. Okay, so I got a lot of clicks on this. Okay, so it means that people are interested and people watch these types of contents right here on this platform. So the more upload you just upload it to this, the more engagements and the more engagements you will have. For example, as you can see, this is 1K views, 1.1K views. So I just get these views engagements for absolutely free. As you can see here, 1.6K, 5K views. Okay, means 5,000 people have watched that, and 157 just click on that, and 30 people just save as a that. Okay, so 23 hertz they have. So it means it is ranking. So the more content you upload to this Pinterest idea pin, the more engagement views and the more sales you will have. So make sure that you added your link right here and the settings right here and the website, and that will be show and pop up right here. When we tell people that watch link in the bio right here, so they can simply go to our account right here and we can simply just go right here. As you can see here, I only have 45 followers, but monthly view is 8,500 monthly views. So I just upload as an example, but I got 8,500 views, which is really unique and amazing. So that's why it's a really powerful strategy if you use, and then the backside you will make a huge amount of money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question, concern, you can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.